to the live final of Britain's Got Talent. All of tonight's acts are chasing the same unbelievable prize, an appearance in front of Prince Charles at the Royal Variety Performance.
Now, our next act finished his semi-final performance, flat on his back in the pouring rain, completely unable to speak.
It's a bit like you on a Friday night.
It is, yeah.
It's George Sampson.
We met you last year, didn't we?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you weren't quite good enough.
Welcome back.
So what have you learned in the last 12 months?
I've just got bigger and better.
Last year, you were fantastic. This year, you were phenomenal.
George, you were winning in the rain.
George Sampson.
This experience has been the best. You know, it's planets, it's miles away from, you know, what I normally do every day, and I don't want that to end. I want to win this competition for my mum. She's put a roof over my head, she's put food on the table, and this competition will give me the power to pay her back.
You know, I keep forgetting he's only 14, he's gorgeous, and I love him.
If I go out tonight, then the dream's gone, and I'm back to just being the ordinary lad from Warrington. I've got to pull out all my best moves. I've got to try the best. I've got to show people that I can do it.
Rejected by Amanda and Piers last year, here he is 1 year later, and he's one of the favourites to win.
I'm a fighter, you know. I'm going to keep fighting. I'm going to stay strong. If I win tonight, not only will it change my life, it will save my life.